Almost done. Bottom 2 rows done. Corner pieces in place, just the edge piece is the wrong way. So, next little move I'm going to show you is how to move 3 of the edges. So in this case, where we've got 2 swapped, we're going to have to do the move twice. So we'll start with, we want to move this green piece up to the front. So green to green. We'll start with rotating this twice. We'll turn the green to match. Go down both sides. We rotate twice again. Go back up with both sides. Then you turn the same direction you did the first time. You turn the green to match again. And then you rotate twice with the front face. So all the green is fixed. Everything else is still intact. We just have 1, 2, 3 edges out of place. So doing the move the opposite way, we turn the front piece twice. We'll turn the blue to match. We go down with both sides. We turn it twice. We go up with both sides. Turn once more to make the blue match. And we rotate the front twice. And that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube.